Morning, everyone. So first we'll check which we get good trade setup. Weekly and uh, uh, oh, 16. Okay. Okay. That's, so most of tokens we have super narrow. Can expect good move. Goat we have compared to all tokens. Goat we have good narrow. Like others are they just narrow. The goat one is like super narrow. Okay, so what we can expect here, see, according to the daily time frame, we have here breakout area, which is a breaker block and order block, okay, which is 620 to 40. If and yeah, so on daily time frame, it can come till here. See, but on so before that, we have to find that trade on 1 hour. See, the market is now near the support. This one. So we should wait for this breakout and retracement. Okay, then you can find the trade on 5 minutes and 15 minutes. If you want to go early, see here we have the breakout, correct? At this place, and we have the order block and breakout, and the liquidity is at this place, which is still valid. And today we have a narrow, daily narrow also on 1 hour. Okay, on 1 hour, if the market goes above and if it start roaming in this, then again it will market will become sideways. So we need a proper breakout on higher time frames. So 5 minutes on the 5 minutes doesn't make any changes. If the market goes and close above this candle, so wait for the retracement. You can catch the trade just at the trend line. So you will get the area to take the trade. How much we can expect this, or else this liquidity. If you get chance to take the short, then yes, you can try that. Okay, if the directly market comes down and go below that 1 hour zone, then just wait for the retracement. We can find the short positions, just like this. See this, if this level breaks, see, if this level break with low volume, for example, just wait for the retracement. Okay, we'll find the area there. From there, can catch this. If directly goes with the ultra high volume, then we should wait. Immediately, we should not jump any because the market can come for healthy retracement. You should get low volume breakout. Okay, we should get low volume, and now it's taking a support from here. From last 4 hours, market is ranging this area. Obviously, it is strong. Okay, on the 5 minutes, yes, we can play on the 5 minutes. So how it works, for example, This will valid only then when it breaks this level, right? Order block or else this way. Then this will be the target. From here, we should find the short positions. Okay, the same place, I think we have uh, area also where we got the rejected and we have the order block at this place. It's very, it's 1 hour, right? It's very big and weekly is super narrow. Let's see, wherever it goes, we can catch this trade according to the 5 minutes. Right, this one. And Griffin also. The answer,
Yes, mate.
it's narrow, sir. I think you should can get good trade setup in this, sir. If it about yeah, about, here. Okay, sir, if the market started coming down, sir, see, we have FG also here.
Yeah.
So on, we have the super narrow also. 1, 2, 3. So volume bullish singles. Just wait for US session, sir. We have to see again same. If this level, if this candle, okay, if this candle fails, then market can go down because you can see we have bullish engulf and low
Yeah.
volume. This trade setup was just like gold last week. So once, yeah, this one you can see this, right, sir?
Yeah.
So it was here is the high volume. What I'm showing, see, when the candle it made bullish engulf. So for next 7 to 8 hours, the market was ranging in this candle, sir.
Mm.
But until the candle will not close below this, we should try only long.
Yeah.
Correct? Here also it's the same, sir. See here, the problem is with the low volume. There is chances it may can go up because this will this now it's taking a support here. This was the last swing, but it failed to break this area.
Yeah.
So if this level breaks, then just wait for the retracement, then yes. Okay, so yeah. Did you trade any trades sir today on this?
No, I tried over the weekend on Griffin, mate, on Sunday.
Hmm.
Go on the 5 minute.
Mm-hmm. You tried long or shorts?
Long, mate, from here. This was the 618.
Hmm.
But I
Okay.
saw divergence here, and I saw that
Hmm. You would have tried here also, now, sir.
but I was in a meeting, mate.
Okay.
So I entered here, and then they stopped me out, and then I missed all this. And then when I went back on, it was gone.
Yeah. So when you try these trades, right, sir? Okay, if you so assume that you took the trade here, you got stop out, and if you miss this also, don't worry, sir. So when it come for the retracement,
Yeah,
you can try this trade. See,
yeah,
what we have to do, sir. Can you see this weekend candle and the 5 minutes, right?
yes,
This here, just take this full candle also doesn't make any changes because this area will become very strong, sir. especially when you get this pattern. This is clearly pattern, sir. See,
Yeah.
especially you will see near the support. When it breaks, it should break in. Just wait for the retracement. Wherever you
Yeah.
take the trade, sir, even if you take the trade here also, stop loss will be below this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just find the order block, this order block below this, the stop loss will be here. The target is if the stop loss and target is matching, then fine, you can take the trade. So our first target will
Yeah.
be this high, sir.
Yeah, because you see on what I did, Pramod, is I put my stop loss too low on here because on the 1 hour, I think
Uh-huh.
the breaker block was about there on the 1 hour.
Oh, yeah.
And my stop loss, I should
Uh,
have kept my stop loss under that. Where are we now? 1 hour.
sorry, sir. This one, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yes.
Yeah, so
1 second. Yeah. Hmm. Please go ahead, sir.
yeah, so if you go to the left again a little bit more, mate.
Hmm.
So you see this red wick here.
Yes, this one, yes.
Yeah, I didn't see that. I didn't go too far left, and my stop loss was here.
Oh,
And as you can
oh.
see, they just took it. And if I had my stop loss underneath the wick, I would have been safe, mate. Well,
Yeah, sir.
I didn't see that. I missed it because I was on
Hmm.
my. I didn't watch my computer. I was on the phone.
Oh, and
Yeah,
it was same setup on the goat also. In the 5 minutes. This the market supposed to come here.
yeah,
It didn't come. It made what the area. So just here we got the breakout. Now this area will become a strong. But before that, see here, show what you have to do. I'll take this full candle. Okay.
yeah,
If the order block is coming here above this is very
yeah,
interesting, sir. I'll tell you one second. If when we mark any shoulder, right, left side, if there is any order block here, then we'll keep our stop loss below that because market can come till that order block, it may go. If there is above any order block here,
yeah.
then we should mark like this. So now, for example, now my area is this, correct? So now
Yes.
the entry will be like this. I'll take this also from here. Just reduce this your size, then done. So this is completely your area, sir, to take the trade. If there is
So your entry on this though, Pramod, will you just layer in on this, for instance?
yes, sir.
You will just start taking, you won't even wait for confirmation. You'll just layer in stop loss there and that's it. Done.
Yes, done. I'll be when it touch right, I'll take the trade. If I
Yes.
get confirmation here, like this candle, low volume bullish engulf.
Mm.
Yes, it was low volume bullish engulf. I'll take big trade, sir.
Hmm.
If I didn't get confirmation, I'll be adding the layers.
Yeah. Okay,
Once the
mate.
candle close below this with low volume, I'll cut manually.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mm. Yeah, this also, sir. But here it was one thing problem. You know what? See, you got ultra high volume, correct?
Yeah.
Low volumes, bearish
Bullish
engulf.
in golf. Yeah.
We'll cut the trade. After that, see what happens. Maybe if personally, if I trade here, maybe I was taking the break even, sir, or else maybe yes, I was taking break even. If this, see, the trend is the market is downtrend, sir.
Yeah.
Maybe I was, if I take the long here, in this situation, maybe I don't enter once again, sir. I was thinking, okay, you got super confirmation here, low volume, a bearish engulf, done. Maybe I would have take the short and stop loss, sir.
Mm.
But we should check now, sir. The market was ranging, we got the breakout, still red test is pending, build the liquidity, but it didn't sweep directly, market started going down. Still, this is a valid, sir. If the market goes above this, wait to sweep this. From here, you can join this trade. Only the daily confirmation, sir. If this level breaks, sorry, directly if this level breaks, That will be on 1 hour. Then we can find it, right? Here also the same, sir. Let's see. We have narrow, sir. I think this week you will get good trade setup, sir.
Mhm.
And wow, yeah. Ma'am, Malu ma'am, did you take this trade, ma'am?
No, I did not, Hamad.
Okay, it touched that, ma'am, that area. I just
Oh,
know, yeah, that you remember, right? Evening Star
yes.
retest. Yes. So what you have to do, ma'am, now? See, we are getting good volume here. Candles on green side. Like on, let me check first. Okay, still we don't have make top here. Only 5. Okay. Ma'am, see here, it created liquidities here, correct? But market was not breaking any low.
Yes.
The target was this. So they took the liquidities, all the liquidities, then they stand, finally they dropping now. So now the if the market's here, new zone, I'll just add this on. You should try this trade on the 15 minutes, man, because daily time frame 15 minutes. Usually daily time frame we should use 30 minutes, but yeah, 15 minutes is fine. But we cannot try this on the 5 minutes when we are seeing the a daily resistance or support. Okay, so now this area, ma'am, like left, you can see this neckline right here.
Mm-hmm.
So this and the breakout is at the same place here. And now the market build the liquidity. If the candle goes here during UV session, you can try the short position from here. If directly market goes and close below this low, because low, high, we have one good wave here. Okay, so you just take this wick or full candle, the bottom, just wait for this breakout. When it breaks, okay, immediately the market should not enter in this with the low volume. Here, two different types breakout you will see. Immediately breakout. If the market is staying below this, then this will work. Directly the market will break. Immediately started moving up with the high volumes, then yes, we can plan for a short. It should not be at the low volume. If there is a low volume, then market will start going up once again. Before closing, you can take the trade from here, short. After breakout, when it break in, right, then this will become a risky to take short.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yes, sir. Just wait for this breakout. Before breakout, if the market goes here, you can try the short here. Because this area will become a liquidity now. Let's
Perfect.
see. Yeah, ma'am. Let's see if this level breaks. You can try, doesn't matter anymore. See if this when it breaks, even with the high volume, okay, even with the high volume. So when the market will be going back, it should be high volume on the green candles. Okay, it should be high volume in the green candle. That means the market can come down once again. From order block, you can take the trade. Just delete this area when it breaks. Okay, when it breaks, you should delete this area. Again, it will make you confused. Just you delete this area. Once the candle will come below this, then find the order block. From there, you should join. According to the daily time frame, we are taking this trade. So if you go and check on the daily, we are getting rejection. So this here is the example. So when we get the rejection candles in this way, when it reaches some resistance, within one candle they'll drop, maybe two candles. The same way like this. When they'll start going up, within 1-2 candles they'll come down. Okay, 3 candle strategy. Usually they say 3 candle strategy. One guy is there, RD. Okay, channel name is the moving average. He he always talk about this 3 candle strategy. Just if you have, if you get chance to see, just go and watch that video now. He explained very nice about the three candle strategy. He usually tells that you will be seeing regularly in the higher time frames. Whenever you see a big fall, okay, for like this, the next you will be seeing the three candles, again one big red candle. So again you will see three candles, big. So this is the same strategy here, it's working. So that is not to take the trade, we should be knowing that, yeah, the three candle strategies. Just to make sure that whenever you get the chance, you try to take the trade sell side, because the target will be this one.
Yes.
And
Super now.
no problem. And Pocket, I think so. So on the earlier, ma'am, when we started this group, right? Do you remember we was talking about this? March, February, we started March 20th. On February here, like in this group, we was discussing about the Pocket itself. I was supposed to tell that, like, see, this market can come this area. So from here, you can try the long positions. So I marked this. I remember I marked this on the daily time frame. Like I said, we got the breakout and it can come this area. So it touched, we got the bullish engulf and started moving up. And perfectly, it took this all liquidities, this one and this. So this was the pending. Again, it made a breakout here. Now we are trying to take this short. If this market go below this, then yes, once again the market will reach the lowest point.
Okay.
Yeah.
Could you repeat what was the name of the guy with the three candle strategy you mentioned?
The moving average. Channel name is the moving average.
Ah,
His name is RD, I think so. RD.
RD.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Here on live on YouTube. If not, I was showing you directly who is that guy. He makes good video about that three candle strategy. I saw there 3 years back or 2 years back. I saw that he was explaining about the three candles. I saw, and usually he used to tell, he'll also always talk about the gold. So it showed that like three candle strategy. Whenever you see on the even smaller time frame, you will be seeing regularly. You will see, especially in the downtrend. Like I mean, when we get a volatility, right? And the market will be coming like crazy. You will see three candles again. It will drop. So again, you will see three candles again. Even on the yield show on 1 minute also that. I said, yeah. When I saw that, I realized yes, it's working then. And he used to tell that if you see these on the daily time frame, that three candle strategy will work very nice. Yes, I'm sir. Yes.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
I joined 5 minutes late. Did you cover gold?
No, sir, not yet.
Do you mind having a quick look if you get a minute?
Sir, today I was waiting here. Okay. My alert was here. The market started moving. One of my friend asked me, can we take the long from 318? He said, what market went up? Why is asking 318? Like this. I was waiting to come here, sir. I missed this. I like it was early morning. I was waiting here. So I'll ask you two questions. Where is the liquidity, sir?
What, buy side?
Yeah, buy side.
We've got there, and we've got. Has that just been taken? Can't see. Yeah.
Yeah, that right.
Yeah.
Sell side. Very
To be
close,
fair,
sir. Very
it's
close.
it's making this channel, no?
Yeah, that is channel, correct. Liquidity, you just find liquidity. Where is the sideways? Today, Asia. Yes, correct. Okay. So now I am waiting to come this series. Okay. So any of
Where are you
the,
waiting for it to come, sorry?
sorry, sir.
Where
Yeah.
did sorry. There, okay.
So from here, I'll try to take the short. So before that, if the market really, if I'm waiting to take the short from here, sell, then I am waiting, I should try the long, right? So
Would
I'll,
you not consider okay. If you go back onto the 1 hour, if you zoom out again,
okay. This
would
one,
you not mark because there's like a touch all
no,
the way
sir.
from the left. If you look left, look.
Yes, yes, correct. Yes, that is working. Here we have breakout, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Maybe it can go there. We have news breakout and this. Sir, and you remember if this market close below this, uh, supposed to fill this, it fill the gap. So we'll try the long before that. Okay, we'll try the long from this area, sir. If
Okay.
it comes here before US session, I'll try here. If the market goes now during US, before US, then I'll try selling from here. My first target will be this three. Because of taking this, once again, the market can go reverse. The reason this from here to here, it's almost 300 pips.
Yeah.
Exactly 300 pips. So it may go for 1 second retrace. From here, a long, from this area, short. If directly goes here, then I'll try a sell and this target. So this area will be the target.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Before that, you will get rejection, but yeah, just wait for this targets.
Thank you, sir.
No problem, sir. If it comes here, let me know, sir.
Now you let me know.
Pagesh, sir, let us know, me and sir, please.
Yes.
You know why I missed this trade, sir? I kept alert in my brother's computer. Okay, he got the alert. I later realized he's getting alert and I'm not getting. Yeah. Yeah, this place will be very nice to take this sensors. Yeah. See if
So are you considering this one because this is the most recent breakout versus like that one?
correct.
Yeah.
The problem is here, I'll tell. If the market comes here, I'll try this sell, okay?
Mhm.
If they start moving up, then this will become liquidity sell. Then if this
Okay.
level cross, then gone for everything gone. That's the reason I want to be in long also. What is yeah, goat is goat. Find the trade on goat, sir. We have narrow. Okay. Just wait for this breakout. You can find a trade on this.
Rama, do
Hello?
you wanna
Yes.
take a look at the dog coin? If you go,
Oh,
and then if you go to, let's start from one. Okay, daily.
hmm.
I think 4 hours is more clear. Oh well, yeah, the daily works as well. I think that looks good
Yes, 4 hours.
to retrace. I'm just looking at the 4 hours kind of price action when it came to that order block zone. That the volume is looking fairly good. Yeah.
Hmm.
So I'm waiting for in 1 hour. I'm waiting for, maybe it's in 1 hour. It's a little bit more clear. So how I'm looking at it is that
You're trying to
this
take the
is,
long, right?
yeah, this is the liquidity. Maybe
Yes.
this is the zone. So these two would be the places. But before going there, because it already took this liquidity, I'm actually waiting it to come here to take a short until here.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is how I'm looking at it. Like this is,
This area will be the strong, sir, to take the long.
yeah.
Because if you take this only this order block, your stop loss will be below this wick. Better take this full wick and this candle, okay, red candle.
Yeah.
And we this area from here 1, 2, 3, sir.
Oh
So
yeah, the 1, 2,
here we
3.
have this swing, yeah. So let's see if the market takes sweep this liquidity and if the candle close inside this area, sir, inside this can box. Next candle,
Yeah.
1 hour, if the low volume, any pattern, I mean any candle, bullish candle, you can take it. Right?
Check the CPR. I think that's a narrow one.
Toothpick.
That's a toothpick.
Yeah, this is really amazing. So before they go up, they'll drop, then they'll start going, sir.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, this area, try from here, sir. Okay.
Okay.
If the market comes here, sorry, if you take this liquidity and if it close inside, right, with the ultra high volume on red candle, the next candle, it should be a low, any candle, sir. Bullish hammer, any, just try the long. So this
Do you
will,
think is it bad if it comes to that place in here?
market comes below this. If the market come below this, then
Oh yeah, okay. So then it's the opposite direction. True.
we have to see these areas here. Even it can
Yeah.
go, sir. See, I'll tell. Last week I discussed about this. If, for example, if the market come and start moving up, the challenge is the candle should close above this area, sir. Then it will continue. There is chances when it comes here, it will take this resistance now. Again, you will start seeing lower highs.
Then it will probably take the liquidities of these ultra highs in here. And
Yes.
then we need to reassess. Okay. Yeah, true. Good point. Thank you.
No problem.
Amazing. Beautiful.
Sir. Sir, and one more thing, sir. We have ultra high volume here, right?
Yeah.
So it's coming for the retest.
Okay, so that's the more meaningful. Yeah, true.
Yes. See the same candle here. So just
Yeah,
coming
good
for
point.
retracement. Yeah, we have order block here. Just wait to tap these areas. And
Yeah, and it
yeah.
already kind of tried in here with this candle to tap the area. So
And correct, you said it took this liquidity now. And it
yeah.
failed this. Yes, correct.
Yeah, too high volume in that candle.
I saw this too. High volume, yes. Malu, ma'am, I saw that image which you have. It's very nice, ma'am. But you have to add only one thing in that.
Yes.
The last one, you mentioned that red hammer, right?
Yes.
Yeah, the red. Just add one more green hammer in that, ma'am. Right side, the same area. Yeah, shall I show here, ma'am?
Yes, why not?
Once.
Maybe when I have corrected that, I can share it in the group it makes maybe sense for the others.
Yes, yes, correct. Can see it. Yeah. So here, ma'am, this area, ma'am.
Mhm.
Yeah. Here you just add one more green candle, ma'am. Because what you wrote, like red hammer with I volume appears by the red hammer with its purpose, which is correct. Because hammer, you do one thing, ma'am. You add one more, if one more candle at this place with the green.
Mhm.
If there is green hammer with the low volume, then yes, go for long immediately.
Yes.
Yeah, just add that. Rest all, it's perfect, and thank you so much for this. I'll keep it with you.
Okay, so
Really, yeah.
then I can delete it here because what I wanted to explain here is the green hammer situation, but then it's double.
Yes, but here, what I was seeing here, the hammer, the body sizes, ma'am. Because sometimes you will see exactly the same green hammer.
Okay.
That will be more, that will be the powerful than this candle also. That's like same, exactly the same and green.
Mhm.
Just to add one more green in here, no problem. This is also correct.
Okay.
But here, this hammer, the green, we should be see the green also. When you see the green with the low volume near the support, then yes, that will immediately you should take the trade. You are not waiting for any retest there.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So, I just show
This
Yeah.
is
that.
really nice.
Yeah, this is really
Nice.
nice. I saw this. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
cheers, madam. Thanks for that.
very welcome. I had to rewatch the session from Friday 3 or 4 times because I was a bit confused during the session, and it was helpful for me to have picture and text. So I will correct this and then I share it in the group.
Yes. Yeah. It's very nice. This is very useful to everyone, even for me also to explain while watching. Even when you said like when you got like you will was getting confused while watching. For me also, when I was explaining, I was telling red candle with a low volume. You can take the trade. Green. Later, I was thinking, what did I say just now? Green candle, low volume. For me, it's very easy, ma'am, to explain. But to understand, it will take time. So you did that good job, ma'am. Very nice.
Super, thank you.
Yeah, wonderful. I'll just show that green hammer, ma'am. Yes, here, ma'am. This. Exactly the same what you did. You just add one green. That's it. So we are not waiting for any retest. Directly, we are going to take the trade.
Yeah. Mhm.
Yeah. Well.
Pramod,
Sir.
can you please have a look at BTC, high time frames?
BTC, sir. Okay.
Yes, please.
Sir, BTC, this area is very important, sir. Here on the top.
Yeah, I know. That's what I asked.
Yeah. If the candle close below this, for example, okay, low volume, then once again they'll drop. If the candle goes and close above this, then just wait for the retracement, sir.
Yeah.
Now this will be invalid now, done. Because it's took all this liquidity here and started moving up. But this area will be the strong now, sir. On the top, however, it's strong. On the bottom, this area, sir.
And what do you see on the daily and on the 4 hours?
Yeah, I'll just check them.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Oh, sorry. No.
It's Dragonfly Doji now.
And weekly also on the weekly.
Yeah.
It's in the top, but weekly, right? Daily. The volume is high, sir. See.
But you'd say that's high volume compared to all the rest.
The previous one, sir. How see on the top, first of all, on the top, like near the resistance, we should not see any candlestick pattern into. Okay, we don't get a good trade setup there. The dragonfly doji, perfect. Before that, which candle? It was a doji or red candle bearish. We have to compare these two both volumes. So this candle on this, you can see the size of the volume. The next candle, when we get the dragonfly doji, at least it should be below at least 50% of this. Then we can expect this to take at least the recent high. But here it's 90% of this volume, sir. That is the problem. And when it comes to the daily time frame, the market is losing its momentum. When we get the full body candle, this is like bullish engulf. The next candle, okay, the next candle we got candle close above this wick, which is good with the low volume. Perfect. What we have to see whether the market, see here, we are getting good candles, but the previous, just here, if you mark the level at this area on the top, this wick, okay, it's struggling below this, under this.
Because we have also super narrow CPR today.
Daily, sir.
Yes.
Too many rejections. It's building a lot of liquidity both sides, sir.
Yeah.
The market is uptrend, so to take the long positions will be fair. Target is only this much. If this candle goes and close above this term, start looking the long. Even you can try the long, no doubt here. See, now the market is building the liquidity here, the lowest point of this swing here. So you should try the long from this area. Liquidity, entry point, and target. If you don't want to take the target, use the break even, just wait to break this area.
Pramod, if you go back to the 1 hour, mate.
Wait, 1 second. Yes, sir.
Oh, sorry, no, the 4 hour.
Mm-hmm.
Could you not look at this as
Reverse head and shoulder.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
They
Even
come
the
back.
weekly also.
that area there?
Yes, sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. 1 second.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I can see this reverse head and shoulder. Yes, sir. Even the weekly also we have reverse head and shoulder.
Yeah.
Look at this.
So will you not mark that zone as well, just to double check that if it comes into there, then that could be a strong reversal from there as well?
Sorry, 4 hours, right?
Yeah. Yeah, will you not mark those wicks across as well? Yeah. That's it.
Yes, sir. This is strong, no doubt.
Hmm.
So that see here now then when we have this area to take the long, this 5 minutes, like I said, this area, this candle, sir.
Yeah.
Not 5 minutes, 1 hour. Yeah.
Yeah.
So just wait to cross this area. Before that, sir, that's the reason, sir. Like Marco, sir, see, to take the long positions on the daily time frame resistance and all, it will be obviously it will be risky on to take the long from these areas.
Mhm.
Okay, if you want to try the long, this is the area if you get. If this level fails directly, like what Ions are said, then it will land here. If this level also fails, then weekly. Just wait, sir. I'll check that here. 92, 95, it's too far, sir. Yeah, from here, sir. We have too many weeks here. Yeah. Any of them, like, Yon, sir, what you do if you see this weeks, from where you will take the trade, sir? From where you will try? If this happens in 5 minutes, 4 hours is higher time frame. If this happens in 5 minutes, where you will take it, where you will buy the trade?
Mate, I will see where the fair value gap is now first.
Hmm?
So the fair value gap is there.
Correct.
But also, if you draw a fib, if it combines,
From below, from here,
yeah,
it's correct. That's same area.
yeah. I will see what the reaction is when it comes into this zone here first, and then if it fails there, I will then see in the golden pocket what happens here.
Hmm.
Correct or not?
Correct, sir. Correct, sir. Correct. So now, until you don't see the volume, don't take the trade, sir. Simple. If you get only low volume, sir, one thing always remember, sir, whenever we take the trade long or short, volume should be low. Everyone, okay? Like when you see any area to take the trade, the volume should be low. If it is high there, it is not right, sir. Because the high volume indication, you know what? People are entering the trade, people are booking the profit. When we get any breakout, see now, if I want to take the short, I really don't recommend that immediately join the trade. You should always wait for the retracement. Now we got this area breakout, this candle. Look at the volume. If I take the trade here, my stop loss will be above this zone. Now I don't know whether is it going to retest or direct is going to fall with this volume. No, we cannot take the trade. And I will add, I want to add one more thing. See, there is two different types of breakout out there. Where the candle has started and where it closed. For example, in this area, we are taking the wicks because the candle is too big and it's covering the complete area. Doesn't make any sense. Last week I was explaining this. If the candle started from inside this volume, okay. First tell me which candle is breakout, sir? This, right?
Yeah.
It started inside this area. Some people what they do, they say they didn't started in outside from this area. But I mean they'll try to take the trade, but you know guys take the trade. Always wait for the retracement. If it's not come for the retracement, don't take the trade. Because of one trade setup that the market started moving. If you start taking the next trade setup the same way, then you will get this, you will take stocks. We can join the trade here. If you want to take the trades, you can try here itself, but not immediately after the breakout. No, don't do that. Let it come to our place before giving any signal. See, on 1 hour, we have this, we had a one breakout, okay. So this 1, 2, 3. Correct. We need 3 touches, 2 touches and 3 is entry. We got the breakout. After the breakout, still the retest is pending. When it's going for the retracement, you should know that okay, where is the liquidity on the 5 minutes? This is the area. I can expect that if the market comes here, then I'll join. On the weekly also, yes, sir. On the weekly also, you have reverse head and shoulders. On the top.
Yeah.
Sir, done and follow the 2 tokens, 3 tokens. Okay, the board EI16. We have all we have narrow. ARC also we have ARC EI16 and GOAT. Don't follow the 3 tokens at a time. In that, find only 1 trade setup. But Monday, it will give the direction. Just wait. Today, the closing, you will come to know. If the market close below this, then wait for the retracement. If the markets go back and close above this, then next day, this is the all the token, it's ranging now. But yeah, we'll get good move once we get the breakout. Done, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Where are you, sir? Outside?
No, I'm on the farm. I'm going home later.
Every weekend, right?
Long weekend, sir.
Oh, good. Okay, sir. Thank you. We'll meet you session, sir. Guys,
Thank you,
please,
Pramod.
no problem.
Sir.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, sir. Please
Thank you.
get your
Thank
questions,
you, bro.
sir. Everyone get questions. The volume, breakout, whatever. And Malum, ma'am.
Pramod,
Yeah, ma'am.
Pramod,
Yes.
when do we know what happens from on the 20? Because I going on vacation and I go away for 6 weeks. So I go in 15, so I must little bit start to plan, how I can do it.
Sure, sir. I'll post it today, sir.
You posted today?
Yeah, and I want to
Perfect,
join
because
with vacation with you, sir.
you can come to me when you want,
Yes,
and
sir.
we will have very good time.
Sure.
I'm 100% sure.
Sure.
Because
Thank you.
I'm like little bit like you. I'm a little crazy in the head, So we will have very fun.
Sure, sir. Thank you so much.
100%.
Yeah, sir. 1 second, sir. 1 second.
Okay, but then you posted today that it's perfect. Then I have 1 week to plan. It's perfect.
Yeah, I'll post it. 1 second. I'll
And
just